Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Aoshima Plastic Model Company, and this is the MECHAGODZILLA Kiryu at nabili ko to sa HobbyLink Japan for about 3,400 pesos, something like that. That was 2023. And to be honest, ang ganda ng kit na to. I never imagined that Aoshima will create model kits aside from, of course, alam natin ang Aoshima are doing car model kits, mostly car model kits na magaganda, pero they tried going to plastic model kits gaya ng itong Godzilla, Livatines from Full Metal Panic, yung mga Gurns back, and also they did yung Ideon and some aircrafts na na-review ko na rin. Isa dun sa aircraft from Aoshima, yung sa flying boat Falco. Okay naman, maganda yung kit na yun. May review ko niyan sa aking list dito sa YouTube. So for now, let's go here with the Aoshima Godzilla or MECHAGODZILLA kit here. There are pros and cons for this kit. Let's just go with the pro. So the pro here is the kit is really sturdy. Ang ganda ng kit. The kit can stand on its own. Nakakatayo siya ng hindi na kailangan ng action-based stand, and obviously Godzilla cannot fly, di ba? And this tail here, we can see the tail. Ang ganda ng details ng tail na yan. And kumbaga, it's articulated. May mga ball joints dyan. But I'm just being careful when touching this tail kasi sometimes naglo-loose yung kanyang ball joint doon, pwedeng makalas, so just be careful when playing with this. But this tail can act as support, so this will be like a tripod thing for Godzilla kasi so far back heavy si Godzilla dito, pero buti yung tail pwedeng mag-support ng extra weight niya kasi yung legs ni Godzilla ay medyo for me punggok. Yun, isa sa mga cons naman, Aoshima declared that this kit is 24 or about 24 to 25 centimeters tall. So I expected that this kit is large, but nung natapos ko na siyang assemblein, may pagkapunggok siya. Hindi siya na-exceed sa aking expectation. So when we measure this kit from the feet and the tip of the head here, yan yung parang horn niya dito, we will measure it about 21.5 centimeters. Something like that. Yes, it's about 21.5 centimeters using my ruler in centimeter measurement. So maliit siya as compared to what Aoshima declared on the Godzilla size. So this is 21.5. Kaya akala ko malaki. I'm expecting about higher than this dun sa head niya. So mga ganito kataas gusto ko sana. Mga ganyan. Para mas nakakatakot siya. But this Godzilla here looks like Zeke from Zoid. Yun lang. Nagmukha kasi siyang punggok, hindi siya matangkad. It's not tall. This Godzilla is not tall. So if we're about to compare this Godzilla to big or large scale model kits that I have, let's compare him with this Ideon from Aoshima also. Ideon is even taller than Godzilla. Ideon is 1 in 400 scale here, and he's a giant robot in different anime universe. So Ideon is much taller than Godzilla. So we should compare. Let's compare Godzilla with Giant Robo here. So Giant Robo is even taller than Godzilla. So parang ang pangit, hindi na proportion sa collection ko. It's supposed to be, I like Godzilla to be taller than Giant Robo. Pero wala punggok talaga siya. So let's compare Godzilla with the Gundams. So I have here Gundam model kits. I got here the small 1/100 scale. So ayan, this is 1/100 scale in small size, which is yung mga Victory Gundam kits. So hanggang chest height lang or chest level ni Godzilla si Gun Easy. And let's compare this regular 1/100 scale master grade RX-78 full armor here, or the heavy Gundam. So hanggang neck, hanggang leeg ni RX or the Godzilla si RX-78 full armor or the heavy Gundam. And let's compare him with large scale high grade large scale master grade model ng Gundam, which is Gundam Narrative. So yan, magkasing tangkad sila. So Gundam Narrative and Godzilla is of the same height. They're of the same height. And if we're about to compare Mechagodzilla with other Chinese kits like yung Orange Cat Industry, Kasuari. So Kasuari is even taller than Godzilla. So Kasuari exceeded the height of Godzilla. So wala na, pungbok na si Godzilla. I cannot hindi ko pwedeng ipagtabi si Godzilla sa mga matatangkad na kits kasi bumukha siyang si Zeke ng Zoid. Anyway, that's the cons. Godzilla here is shorter than expected. Another pros for this Godzilla is the plastic quality. Plastic quality is medyo makunat-kunat, and at the same time yung kanyang color ay maganda. The color is like a pearlescent silver or gray, which is nice. May pagka-metallic ang dating niya. It's a mechanized form of the organic Godzilla, which is ang ganda. Gusto ko yung itsura. Tapos there are guns there. Yung cannon niya dito sa shoulder, natatanggal din to, but I don't like to remove this because I much prefer Godzilla with this kind of weapon. So let's go with the articulation for this kit. Godzilla here can open its mouth and close it also. Then there's an option if you want to change the face of Godzilla, yung may basag yung isang mata niya, or you can change the yellow eyes into red eyes, meaning yung yung aggressive mode. But I much prefer this yellow eyes para okay siya. And then you can see there's asymmetrical arms here. The right arms of Godzilla is a bit mechanical, and instead of the claws or hand, this is a drill, Pero you can switch this into a mecha claw if you don't like the drill. But for me, I much like the drill. This looks unique for this model kasi mukhang maangas na pambutas niya ng kalaban niya, di ba? Then it has some rifle. I think this one laser cannon, or what do you call this kind of a weapon here in the forearms. And then ano siya, magkabilang braso siya, may mga armas siya dito, mga cannon. Then the other hand, the left hand or left arm is a bit different from the mechanical design on the right hand or the right arm. So the joints here is a bit stiff and ano siya, medyo mahigpit ang mga joints niya. So you can do some simple poses for this, and natatanggal yung ibang parts niya like this, and nakakalas, kaya hindi ko masyadong nilalaro. Anyway, and siya can do poses like that. Yan, pwede niya lang i-extend or galaw yung kanyang arms like this. Yan. Okay. And the chest here can open like this. Meron siyang hatches here for the ano bang tawag dun, yung parang beam. It can shoot beams, but unfortunately itong nakakabit dito sa flaps ng kanyang chest doors ay loose. So nakadikit lang yan dahil punersa kong ikabit na ganun. Pero once pinitik ko na to, tatanggal to. So I didn't apply super glue yet because just want to preserve this as much as possible without super glues. And ayan, kapag close siya, hindi siya nagko-close completely kasi ayan, nakakahinder yung flap na to. Anyway, tanggalin ko na para makita ninyo. There, nakakalas ka agad siya, di ba? Ayan. Pero kapag wala tong mga items na to sa kanyang flap, magko-close completely yung kanyang chest. So now I just remove this. So sa legs ni Godzilla, there it can move or kick up to here and kick back up to there. So hindi siya masyadong movable or articulated. Tapos may wire din siya dito or rubberized tubing na parang connected dito kunyari sa booster niya. So yan, nakakahinder din ng kanyang leg movement. Yan. So the legs can do like this only, can split up to here and can move or kick as much as like this. So hindi siya masyadong syempre Godzilla is just a big dinosaur or T-Rex. Hindi naman siya pwedeng mag-split or mag-martial arts, something like that. But the tail here, this can be his weapon by smashing his opponents with the whip-like attack from his tail. But ito nga, ganyan yung mga movement ng tail niya. Pero since mabigat yung tail niya, bababa din kaagad ng ganun. So hindi kaya ng ball joint yung weight ng buong tail. Medyo mabigat to eh. So mas okay na nakababa lang siya para hindi mas stress yung ball joint dito sa tail. Then sa feet niya, yan, it can move from yan, up and down, side to side. Yan. Yung foot armor niya is naglalaro din ng kusa. Pero hindi naman yan loose. Nakakabit pa rin yan dito sa kanyang paa. And the feet are flat, which is maganda kasi mas stable yung pag tapak niya sa ground. So that's it. It's just a simple kit without so much gimmicks. The weapons are ito lang, basically yung drill sa kanyang hand, right hand, and cannons dito sa shoulder, then beam shooting chest niya, so beam emitting weapon sa kanyang chest, and some boosters here. Yan, meron siyang booster dito sa magkabilang thigh part, and its tail. Yan yung kanyang mga weapons. And also the mouth, I think the mouth can also fire beams or fire, something like that. So yan. So full fire power Godzilla. Ganyan. If you want this kit, I recommend this for beginners because this is also a beginner-friendly kit. Hindi siya complicated buuin. Although, ang laki ng box nito. The box size of this Godzilla exceeded the size of most master-grade kits. But, the kit itself is not that large. Even though the box is large, the kit is about the average Gundam height. Yung mga 1/100 scale kit. So, for me, the height is not, hindi kapuri-puri yung tangkad ng Godzilla na to. Pero yung kanyang features for me is excellent. Maganda yung kanyang mga plastic quality, color, symmetry, and yung mga gimmicks. Only the height is the negative part of this kit. So thank you very much for watching this out of the box review of Godzilla, MECHAGODZILLA Kiryu from Aoshima. See you next time sa aking mga next review. Bye! Happy New Year!